The first thing that we do when we have our walkthroughs with our sellers on the listing side is give them a clear perspective of what the market and what the buyers might be looking for. We want to make sure we're doing just enough for a seller to get their home ready to have mass appeal. Obviously, pricing is one thing that we look at to make sure we're priced competitively against other listings in the area. And also we have to present very well. It's very important to work hand in hand with your listing coordinator or your operations team and marketing team on your staff or on your team to make sure that you're doing everything you can to be positioned well against other listings. The most important thing that we do here on our team is make sure that we focus on 3 parts in depth. What are those 3 things? Lighting, flooring, and paint. The consistency in those 3 things, believe it or not, make a huge difference on how your property presents compared to others. For example, this home was painted completely yellow before we hit market. The cabinets were brown. The flooring was not resurfaced or updated throughout the home. There was some inconsistencies, and lighting was also an issue. So what did we do? Painted the cabinets, resurfaced them all white. We added some handles to give it more functionality that it didn't have before. We updated the recessed and cam lighting throughout the home to make it more brighter. Just removing and updating them to LED lights gives that bright feature that a lot of homes might not have. And also making sure that there's consistency in the flooring. If there's any deficiencies or anything, we might replace some planks, clean the carpet. Give it that feel that when you're walking throughout the whole home, you don't feel distracted. That's the last thing you want to present. So this is a clear example of all 3 of those perspectives being put together into one, with the bonus of adding more functionality that I didn't have before.